Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be checking out the Tronsmart T6 Plus. So let's go ahead and dive into the unboxing real quick. Inside the box you get the speaker, a USB-C cable for charging, which is pretty awesome for a Bluetooth speaker that is under $100. It also comes with an aux cable in case you don't want to use Bluetooth, and the warranty card, as well as the user manual. So the Tronsmart T6 Plus speaker is running for $83 at the time of this review. But with the coupon code that they provided me with, you can get it for $65, and the link and coupon code will be in the description. Taking a closer look at the speaker, it has a very appealing design. It is composed of hard plastic and rubber with a cloth wrapping around the speaker that gives the speaker a rugged look. It has an IPX6 rating for water resistant. I wouldn't recommend submerging it, but it will handle some heavy splashes in rain. It weighs in at 670 grams, about 1.77 pounds, quite heavy for a portable speaker, but it's still portable. Going to the front of the speaker, the ports are hidden underneath the flap. There's a micro SD card slot, a USB port, the 3.5mm jack, and the USB-C port. Above all of this is the power button, the mode to change between the SD card, USB flash drive, and Bluetooth. Above that is the equalizer button to change between the standard vocal effect, the 3D bass, and the enhanced bass, and we'll take a further look at that later in the video. That's followed by the true wireless stereo button to pair it up with another Tronsmart speaker to get a better surround feel. I don't have a second unit to test this out, so I'm not sure how well it works. Then there's the forward and backtrack button, and on top is the volume control dial. The volume on the speaker is separate from the Bluetooth volume on your phone, and this allows you to have a wider range in volume control. So for instance, you can set your phone to 50%, and when you adjust the volume on the speaker, it will cap off at 50%. The volume dial also serves as a pause and play button when you click on it. It's a very clicky button. If you press and hold, it will pull up your Google Assistant or Siri, depending on your device.
Why are pirates such good singers? Because they love hitting the high seas.
So the speaker is using Bluetooth 5.0, and the pairing process is very quick with a strong connection within 30 feet indoors. Now moving on to the sound quality, the speaker comes with dual passive radiators and two 20-watt full range stereo drivers. The speaker produces very clear audio with some great bass. So my favorite effect that the speaker offers is a 3D bass, which is indicated by the white light. It doesn't just amplify the bass, but the overall audio. The highs and mids get that boost as well, so you don't end up with vocals being drowned out by the loud bass, which I really like. Now for the extra bass indicated by the green light, it's a little better than the standard mode, but I really have not used it much. I have been using the speaker with the 3D effect on most of the time. The 3D bass effect is also great for outdoors, so you can enjoy some loud music while you're working on a project in the backyard. It's also great for listening to movies. It sounds very clear. So here's a quick sample. You might not notice the difference between the effect through the video, but just so you can get an idea of it. Now moving on to the battery life, the speaker has a built-in 6600 mAh battery that provides you with up to 15 hours of music playback time at 50% of volume. Now aside from that, the speaker also serves as a power bank so you can charge your phone with it. Pretty cool if you ask me. The speaker outputs 5 volts to 1 amp, so you'll get some slow charging to your phone. The other awesome thing, which I find awesome, is that you can charge the speaker with a USB-C cable at 5 volts to 3 amp, so you'll get some quick charging, and the speaker will fully recharge in about 4 hours, and that is pretty cool. So we're coming to the end of the video now, and the Tronsmart Element T6 Plus speaker will be replacing my 2-year-old 24-watt Boom Impact Bluetooth speaker. It's only slightly larger and slightly heavier, but it offers a long battery life and is louder. Plus I can also use it as a power bank. For under $100, I highly recommend you check it out. Alright, so that concludes today's review. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like if you found the video helpful and subscribe to stay tuned for more tech related videos, and I will talk to you on the next one.